When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting a prime number, not a prime number, a number greater than 5, a number not greater than 5. And then you have to find the probability in each of these cases too. Let's solve for this first one. So what are the outcomes? What are all the possible outcomes when a die is thrown? Whether you will get 1, you'll get 2, you'll get 3, you will get 4, you will get 5, or you will get 6, right? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. These are the possible outcomes when a die is thrown. List the outcomes of an event. Sorry, this was not for 1, it's for, in general. So let's talk for 1 now. A prime number. Tell me from 1 to 6 which all numbers are prime numbers. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So 2, 3, 5. These are the outcomes in case of getting a prime number. Then the second is if the event is not a prime number. So 1 is not a prime number, 4 is not a prime number, and 6 is not a prime number. So these are the possible outcomes for this event number 2. Let's talk about event number 3. A number greater than 5. So clearly there is only one number, that is 6. So you will have only 6. The possible outcome for this third event is 6. And then for the fourth one, a number not greater than 5. So the numbers not greater than 5 the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? It is saying that number not greater than 5, it can be equal to 5. So these are the possible outcomes for this one, right? A number not greater than 5. Now let's talk about the probability. Let's say that this is P1. So for this event, that is a prime number, getting a prime number, the total number of outcomes that form this event is, how many outcomes are there? There are 3. So 3 by, and what is the total number of outcomes for this whole experiment? That is throwing a die, that is 6. So this is 3 by 6. If you simplify it, you get 1 by 2. Let's say this is P2. So the probability of getting, for this event, that is not getting a prime number. So there are 3 outcomes for this event, and the total number of outcomes for this experiment is what? 3 by 6. So you get 1 by 2. Let's say this is P3. So the probability of this event of getting a number greater than 5, how many outcomes form this event? There's only one outcome that forms this event, and this is 1 by 6, right? And if this is P4, so the probability of for this event of getting a number not greater than 5, so there are total 5 outcomes that form this event. So 5 by 6. Numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips, one number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well, right? So we have 10 slips, and starting from 1 up to 10, we have written one number on each slip. We have folded it, we have mixed it well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. You're not looking into it, and one slip is chosen. What is the probability of getting the number 6, right? So if you're talking about this first part, and it's talking about an event, let's say that this is event 1, and what's the event 1? Getting the number 6. Okay, so if you have to get the number 6 and you have to talk about the probability, tell me How many outcomes form this event? There's only one outcome, that is 6. So 1 by, what's the total number of outcomes for this whole experiment? Right, taking out a step from this box, there are total 10 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's talk about the second one. The second event is getting a number less than 6. Less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? These are the numbers that are less than 6. So tell me, if we have to talk about the probability of this event, that is P2, how many outcomes are forming this event? There are 5 outcomes. So 5 by 10. If you simplify it, you get 1 by 2. 10 why? Because 10 is a total number of outcomes. Let's talk about third one. Getting a number greater than 6. So getting a number greater than 6 means if this is event 3, that is greater than 6. So 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right? So if we say that this is P3, how many outcomes are forming this event? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 by 10. 10 is the total number of outcomes. If you simplify it, you get 2 by 5. Let's talk about the fourth event, and that is getting a one-digit number. One-digit number. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the one-digit numbers starting in between 1 and 10, right? So how many outcomes, if you say that the probability is P4, so tell me how many outcomes are forming this event? There are 9 outcomes, so this is 9 and then by 10. So this is probability of this event 4.